this one. Well, let's head on back to town. I'll tell you a little bit more about the train. In case you missed it earlier, our train is being pulled by a genuine coal-fired steam locomotive. We have 2 locomotives here at Tweetsie Railroad, both built by the Baldwin Locomotive Works of Philadelphia. Our number 12, the original Tweetsie locomotive, was built in 1917 and ran on the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad. From 1918 to 1940, the train ran daily between Johnson City, Tennessee and Boone. The train got its nickname, Tweetsie, because of its whistle echoing through these mountains. Our number 190 locomotive, the Yukon Queen, was built in 1943. She served in Alaska during World War II and was brought to Tweetsie Railroad in 1960. Each day, our locomotives will burn as much as 5 tons of coal and use up to 5,000 gallons of water making steam to pull us around the mountain. Many of the earliest settlers in the area lived in simple log cabins, much like this one. They're small and have dirt floors, but what kept the family cozy and warm during the harsh mountain winters. Mines such as this sprang up all over the place. The settlers moved west. Folks dug and sifted for gold, silver, and precious gemstones. Well, looks like our train trip is just about over. Sure hope y'all liked what you saw. We'll be pulling back into town in just a few minutes, and you can treat yourself to some good food and cold drinks. Maybe take in a show at the Palace Saloon or Pavilion Stage, or visit one of our many stores and get a souvenir to take home. There's a lot to see and do at Tweetsie. Ride your rides at the country fair, or head up to Miners Mountain and pan for gold or other precious gems. Visit the Deer Park Zoo. There's more rides and shows up there for little ones of all ages. Then, if you want, come on back and ride the train again. Things are always changing out here in the Old West, and you never know what might happen next. Here we are back in town. Tweetsie and her crew kept you safe. The cowboys who rode with you today can give you directions to wherever you want to go. Don't forget you can upgrade your ticket to a season pass just by visiting our ticket Thanks for riding with us. Y'all come back and ride with us again real soon. Bye-bye now.
Welcome back to town, folks. Once again, please remain seated until the train has come to a safe and complete stop. And the train cars have finished rolling backwards.